Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard Channel. This week we're taking you out to the SAW Kustoms Raw Fest Cruising for a Cause car show at Flamingo Lake RV Park. And this is going to be the Walkabout cam. This was a smaller show. I mean, it's limited by the years they allowed into it. They only allowed pre-1972 cars into it, which narrows the field quite a bit. And I understand why they do it that way. At least, I have a reasoning for it. Because it's in a small area, you don't want a whole bunch of cars showing up and not being able to accommodate them. Anyway. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
A car with
I know.
I drive brakes, I can't use you stick inside drive.
We're kind of becoming a scavenger hunt of people trying to figure out what's free. Yeah, I'll pass it on.
In mom.
I'm in my house. Called it out.
brakes, I can't even use tickets. I drive.
Take it off your head, right your neck.
Showed up under my house, called out.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the SAW Kustoms Raw Fest Cruising for a Cause car show. A kind of a on the smaller side show, but hey, that's because they only have a limited space to work with in the Flamingo Lake RV Park. They limit it to pre-1972, and we just went to support the car show. They're members of our club, the Callahan Cruisers. So we just went out and supported their show, and looked around and saw what was there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to drop us a like, a comment, a subscribe, even share this video around to your car people, even your non-car people. They might enjoy it. You never know. Anyway, we're trying to get to our initial 500 subscribers for the channel to get them YouTube ad dollars to start coming in and start paying for all our efforts. So any help you guys could be on that, share it around, do all the YouTubey things, the likes, the subscribes, the comment on the bottom of the picture on the video. You don't have to comment much, just a hey or a thumbs up or a cool or whatever. Just, you don't have to extend a lot of effort. Just a little bit would be nice. Anyway, so like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.